Hello, this is my third database lab experiment, and in this we are basically dealing with the group by order by clause and the built-in functions and the aggregate functions. The built-in functions are those functions like count, minimum, maximum, average. These functions they help us, they make our query easier. Like they help us to find out what is the minimum among all the salaries, for example, or what is the maximum among all, and maybe what is the average of all the departments. Like these functions, they make our work a lot easier, and like instead of doing the arithmetic operations, we can simply use these and simplify our work. And group by order by clause also has equal importance. Order by clause basically helps us to describe the query in ascending descending order based on a particular attribute. So does the group by clause, and then we can have the having condition, which enables us to like specify a special condition instead of where, which we have in the normal query. When we are using group by, we can go in for the having clause also. And well, we are given with the exercises, and I'd like to show my output for the various queries. First, we have find out how many customers have done the bookings, and here I have used the count variable, and here I have got the answer. What is the average price? Average price uses select AVG and then my attributes which I have given, and the car type where it is luxury, hence I get the answer. Then what is the maximum date of booking? Maximum date, I've used subquery concept over here, where select car ID from car booking. It is grouped by the car ID, which is having the count return date minus the booking date, and that should be equal to the maximum count return date minus this date, and hence I get the answer 4th December. And next is find out the number of bookings for each car. Okay, so number of bookings for each car is found as using count variable again, and I have ordered by the car type, hence I get the count and the car type along with the name. Then find out the car which is booked for maximum number of days. Here select max return date from booking details group by return date having return date greater than sys date, hence there is no such query or no such data available. Now display the customer name starting with R or R, and here I have used this concept. Select login name where customer new from customer new where login name is equal to this, but I have no rows selected because there is no such data in my database. Which booking is done most recently? So here I have compared with the sys date, which again gives no result because it's not there in my database. Again, replace the registration number which is X with T. Here I have updated the table and set the registration number where I have replaced T with, actually I had used U in my insertion. So here I have 4 rows updated, and hence you can see the output I got T. Now display the dollar symbol in front of price. I have used concat over here and I have got the answer. Then find the car booked in leap year. For car booked in leap year, I have extracted the year, and then I have found out the modulo of 400 and 400. And if it is, if the modulus is 0 when dividing, when it's with 4 and 400, then it's a leap year. But if it is a 0 even when I am dividing with 100, then it's not a leap year. Hence, actually there is no booking done on the leap year, so it gives me no rows selected. Now find the top 3 bookings. Top 3 bookings is used, row num is used over here. Select row num as rank, and I have selected the booking name also, hence I have got the top 3 bookings. Then calculate the age of the customer using date of birth. So here I have calculated the age as his date minus date of birth divided by 365 as years, hence it gives me the answer. Now arrange the customer name and display the name together. Okay, so the first name and the last name are displayed together. I have used concatenation symbol over here simply. And now select the average booking of each car. So average booking is done by select average booking number from booking details, and hence I get the average booking number. Then find the car which is offered with minimum price. The car which is offered with minimum price is like I select min annual income from price info. So this is the minimum price which is offered. Hence this is all about my third database lab experiment. Thank you.